It's not magic. This is a science experiment. Can you believe it? Just use a piece of toilet paper. It can purify dirty water into clear water. The shower is blocked. Just soak it in beer. After a while, the shower is clear. Cut the gum wrappers to look like the ones in the video. Align both ends with the positive and negative terminals of the battery. You can start a fire in the open. Put tape on a balloon filled with water. It burst. The water seemed to freeze. This is laminar flow. Pour a little alcohol on the sand. Pour the sugar and soda mixture over the top. Lid it. You conjure up the magic old Pharaoh's snake. Put a bottle of pure water in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Just pop it on the table. The water in the bottle froze instantly. Dip a cotton swab in the lemon juice. Write on white paper. It has to be heated to show it. This is the book without words. White vinegar mixed with soda produces carbon dioxide. Bring invisible gases close to the flames. That's how a fire extinguisher works. The popular science hundreds of times. Why don't you try it out with your kid?